what would be, the main takeaway you would want the reader to digest?
Yeah. Well, I think in general, this idea about being more connected to your customer, this is a phenomenon that's not going to go away, right? I mean, I think in general, the expectations of customers to have a more personalized experience, and customers in the broad sense, I mean, our students have the same way, right? Kind of they're saying, look, you cannot just treat me as one of 800 students, right? Treat me as my student. You should know about my backgrounds. You should know about my learning styles. You should know about what my career goals are. Maybe you can help me in my career goals, right? Kind of maybe if I don't know, right? And so that general expectation is just continue to rise. And so that's why we feel like sometimes you need to have a kind of a connected strategy in some sense. Now, that really, for us, the starting point, because that's usually the biggest problem, how do I even start? I think for us, a common starting point is really thinking about this customer journey and really kind of mapping out what are different pain points, what are different, what we call willingness to pay drivers along that customer journey. Then to understand what is the necessary information that I would need to remove some of these pain points, right? And then you can ask yourself, what are the technologies that I need to put in place to get actually that information?